Hi guys, myself Sumedha and I'm going to show you how to make a simple app. So let's get started. Go to Google Chrome and I'm going to go to Whitehead Junior. If you don't know, Whitehead Junior, and then go to computer classes and directory one and so this is app live and we're gonna make an app in this. So what app we are gonna make? So our we are gonna make today and change your age in hours. So let's get started. Change your age in hours app. So let's get started. Go to design and take a label. After going to label, change the label's text in second text box. See, you can see, and write enter your age. So it's so small, no one can see it. Also, you can make the font size and go to the bottom and search the font. You can see the font size and make it 20 or what you want. And just enter your age in the text input box. So we don't want to write this. Let's cut it. Let's enter your age and take a text input box and make it the height bigger, longer, and make it so small because it's don't seem very nice. That's why I'm saying it. Okay, and now take a button. You can see it here in the design toolbox, right? I've said it in the beginning. Write the text, calculate. We are gonna calculate, right? So write calculate, and make its font size also 20. Make it bigger. Here, font size. Yep, perfect. If you don't gonna make an app which can change your age in hours, so it will be so difficult to doing means without in the like we use calculator, right, for doing plus minus. So here we're gonna calculate this. It will be useful also. So now we have taken the calculate button and now we have take one more label. Take it here and text will be write text your age into hours. The number will come in the here. I'll show you your age hours. Okay, now make it bigger. Font size 20. Okay. Yeah. And now yes, your age in hours. Now we have to go again. Take a label. Yeah. Again take a label and don't write anything. And make the font size bigger because here if the result will come here, right? So no one can see it. It will be so small. So make it 20 and that one also by clicking this you can change the names and all. The text input one change the font size 20, same size. And now go to level 3 again and make it bigger, so bigger. Okay. If so, someone is so old, then it will take so many number. Okay. And now do you want to change these colors? Then you can only change the letters and all by, if you want to change the text color, you can go to text color or background color here in this or right here. Okay, cut delete this all and right here. Everything you can do like this. Here also you can give background color, text color, all the things. And if you want to change the full page color, then you can go to, here is it written theme default. Okay, so go there and choose what color you wanna give. So I wanna give all the one because I love the dot. Okay, the wait, I'm giving. I should give this one, right, or this one. Crap. It's looking nice. So go to code, and after that, yeah, after that we will now start coding. So you can see in the toolbox there are so many things. So today we are gonna only use UI controls and math. So let's get started. Go to UI controls and take an uneven block. And if you don't click and just wait, put your cursor there, you can see the meaning and everything. And see, if you click on see examples, you can see so many things. You can do all the with them also, with also all the blocks. So now on event we will give button 1 means calculate. This is button 1, right? Its ID is button 1. So if after we click calculate, only then we will get the result. So on event, click button 1. Button 1 click means click button. So now we're going to take set number and ID will be, so where is it number? Here means level 3. Level 3, and here we want to give math. Now go to math section and take a multiplication block, multiply block. So we will need three multiplications means the 3 spaces, because your just example your age is 15 or 11 or 10. So if your age is 10, then you have to multiply 10 into 365 into 24, because 24. So then the answer result will come. So we have to need 3 blocks. The here will be your age means, so how you will get the age? There are so many numbers. So we have to give here the text input. So first we have to take in one more block of multiplication, and now it's 3 blocks, right? Yeah. And now go to again UI controls, and now get number. Take the get number block and put it here. And one more, take one more. No. Sorry for the mistake. You have to take the number block in the first block. Okay, first block. Now change the ID into text input 1, because we will write the number here. Text input 1, and then in here we will write 365. We have to write 365 in the middle block only. Means the second block. And 24 in the third block, that is the last block. So it's ready. Now let's test it. So how to test it? You have to click on run and see. Like my age is 11, and then I have to click on calculate. 96,360. Oh, my age in hours is 96,360. So is it right? Go take your you can see in the calculator also in the mobile by writing your age, your then 360 by 124. So I will computer desktop calculator and just find it. So my age is I've given 11 into 365 24. Okay. Yeah, it's right. You can test one more also. You can take it here for testing again and again. Like we are giving 50. Okay. Calculate this one. So is it right? Comment below. Okay. And now we will set it, and it's all. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and comment.